Romblon with my new hair. What's up? Okay, so today on this trip we will talk about all the gears we use during our trips, especially for the Lucky 13 Philippines. Now I'm traveling around the Philippines for this campaign with some videographers. So here's Diana again. She uses Sony. So she has Sony A7SII and
A6300.
yeah, exactly. So yeah, and the lenses?
It's 24-105
Yes.
and 35mm.
Okay, 35mm is also her favorite, just like me. So yeah, I personally always use Fujifilm. I've been using Fujifilm for the last 5 years. So mine is X-Pro2 with 35mm. I always carry this one with me wherever I go. One more for our underwater shots. We use GoPro 5.
And the Zoom.
Yeah, so yeah, we're a team, 2-woman team. So as of now, yeah, that's all.